Ciao Tesla people, I have an issue with the Model Y performance. I'm hearing a noise coming from the front wheels, my guess, or motor, because it's like it's not like a rolling noise, but when I slow down almost to stop, very slow, getting to the stop and without using the brakes. So it is the region that is working on, and then when I slow down maybe 1 kilometer an hour and then it stops at that last point, I hear a noise, woo, woo, something like that. So I'm going to attach a camera to the front and we'll do a testing, okay? So bear with me. I need to remove the HALODisc, the HALODiscs, and let's see how it goes. So let me remove the HALODisc discs. I have to get the wrench and the small axe right here. Okay. So I hear a sound, a rolling sound, while I'm stopping, but I'm not using the brakes to stop, but just the regen. Okay. It feels like there are the brakes, that kind of sound, but I'm not sure. So I wanted to record it before I ask for a service appointment. So with a video, hopefully I catch the sound, I would be able to give more information to Tesla. Okay, so, oh shoot. Of course, wind doesn't help. Hopefully I'm not in the way of people. Okay. Okay, good. This can stay. Okay. I'll move this one. Actually, let me put back this, guys. So I don't need this, I don't need this. Hopefully I don't lose anything. Let me put this one on the left. Let's get the other one. Do I have stuff in it? Here I have a bunch of crap. No, there is nothing on the brakes or anything. On this side, let's see. Huh? Okay. Somebody asked me, yeah, but those are difficult if you have a flat or to fill up air. Okay, it takes a minute to disassemble this guy, so it's not a big deal. Okay, counterclockwise, because you go against the wheel, spinning wheel, right? And that's it. So let me remove this, guys. Put this guy in the back. I'll put it on the right side so I don't forget. I can close this guy. I don't see anything wrong. No plastic flying around. Discs okay. Looks like it. Caliper, it's okay. Looks like it. Maybe that thing. I'm not sure. There's a thing here. Let me check the other side. I see on the caliper, I don't feel this. Maybe it's on the opposite side. Yeah, maybe it's on the bottom. Okay. Okay. Put you there. So I'm going to analyze the video and the sound. I will see what it comes out. I'm not sure yet. If I find something, I'll mention it. In the meantime, I reput back the HALODISCs. And the only thing I noticed was that the mechanism was a bit loose. I think my guess is that kind of normal because it's a mechanism that is attached to the wheel, to the center lock of the wheel, of the rim, and the old disc rotates with the car, with the wheel, of course. So my guess is in time you need to just give a check. It won't detach at all because the mechanism is well engineered, and how it's done, there is no way. But could it be that it was a bit loose and that the sound would come out from that? Maybe the vibration, something like that, in certain conditions. I'm not sure because my guess is that if there would be a sound, it would be at any speed. If there was a vibration type of thing, and the discs were not loose, just the mechanism inside. But I mean, loose is not that you could move. It was just the big screw that is inside the mechanism. So my guess is not, because otherwise I would hear that sound at any speed. Instead, it's a very low speed while I'm stopping. I'm not sure. I'm speculating right now. I'm just trying to figure out all the possibilities. I'm going to do a search online. I did already for the various issues that people faced with their Model Y, concerning the wheels noise or the motor noise. If it was maybe the not the brakes, because I don't use it when this sound is going on. Maybe the bearings, maybe, but I would hear it in other condition. This is the only very specific condition. I'm not sure. So I'll do a research. Maybe I'll use Grok again. I'll do a research online to see what's going on, if there are any similar situation. From what I searched, I didn't find any, because the noise that they make, for example, the wheel bearings would be at various speed, and it would be a continuous type of sound noise. The brakes, the squeaks of the brakes, it's not my case because I don't use the brakes. What else? The motors, yeah, that maybe, I'm not sure. So I'll do a research for now and see what's going on before submitting a service request, so that if I find something, it's better for the service request you have something to show and they figure out right away, like last time they did. And it was very helpful to put the video and the sound. Anyway, In the meantime, please check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral, you get a discount. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao, Tesla people.